Armenian Prime Minister has spoken to the US National Security Advisor Robert O'Brien, pleading with him to help stop Turkey's interference in this conflict. I spoke to the Armenian president about that earlier, and here is what he told me.
And I've openly spoken about this to a big multinational community. I've been speaking about this to many presidents and prime ministers of different countries, asking them to interfere and put pressure on Turkey, stop interfering in the region, because their interference is taking the conflict an order up in magnitude, in complexity, and also creating something that eventually will become another Syria of Caucasus. But Caucasus, if it becomes a place like Syria, then God help everybody. God help Europe, God help Central Asia. It will affect everybody, including Turkey, Iran, and Russia. So my plea is, if Turkey will be restrained with the help of Russia, United States, and France, then we have a chance of ceasefire, further negotiations, maybe peacekeepers, and then we'll have a chance to go back to the negotiating table, because there is no solution, military solution to this conflict. There can be only peaceful diplomatic solution.